Can you see yourself in the 2021 Nissan Kicks? Here's a tech-savvy Kicks that knows what you need to make travel fun. From its nimble handling to its roomy interior, trendy style, and touchscreen infotainment, this snazzy small SUV offers larger-than-life value. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, remote engine start, keyless start, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, blind spot monitor. Get plenty of room without sacrificing efficiency in this good-looking Kicks. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.